Vivo's next smartphone in the T series will be the Vivo T1 Pro 5G. The device recently passed Geekbench revealing key details. Now, Onsatego has revealed the launch timeline of the device for the Indian market. The Vivo T1 Pro 5G is tipped to launch in May in the Indian market. It means that we still have a few weeks until we see the phone on the shelves. We expect the device to arrive above the 20,000 rupees range. Post-launch, it is expected to compete with the sub-brand's iQOO Z6 Pro 5G. To those unaware, the iQOO Z6 Pro 5G is set to arrive with the same chipset as the Vivo T1 Pro 5G, i.e. the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G SoC. We have already seen the T1 Pro 5G on Geekbench, scoring 790 points in the single-core department and 2856 points in the multi-core department. The phone will come with 8 GB of RAM, which we expect will be the higher-end variant paired with 128 or 256 GB of storage. The phone could also come with a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB variant as its base configuration. It will run on Android 12 OS out of the box with FunTouch OS on top of it. Other specs of the phone are yet to be known, but we can expect an AMOLED display and better fast charging support as compared to the vanilla Vivo T1 5G. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.